Dr. Chris here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up OBS Studio to record your scientific presentation. There are only 3 settings that you really need and 2 windows that you've got to set up so you can record your video for a virtual conference or YouTube. Here we go.
All right, here I am back in my office, and once again, I'm going to be doing a video on OBS Studio. But first, show you 3 things that you have to set up within OBS to make sure that it's working properly, especially when you're exporting out your final video. So here we go. Start your OBS now. All right, it's going to be kind of weird because I'm using a video capture software to show how to use video capture software. Never mind the matrixy thing about that, but let's start off by going up to File and Settings, because we're going to do 3 settings. The first setting we are going to do is in Output. That is, you're going to choose the recording path. Mine is great at right now because I am recording right now, so it is actually going to the location that I wanted to go to. I set it to one of my SSD drives. That's make sure that the video recording is smooth. The next setting is next is in video, where you want the output resolution to be 1920 by 1080. Then go to Advanced and then click Automatically Remux to MP4. That's because OBS Studio records something called MKV, and that's for streaming purposes, but you want your final video to be output as MP4, and that will automatically generate it when it's done. All right, those were the 3 settings. Now we're going to go back to OBS Studio, and we're now going to set up everything so you can record your presentation. Start, we've got 2 windows down over here, one called Scenes and one called Sources. This is the scene right now. When you press record, OBS will record this whole area right here. When you open it up, you're not going to have this. I had to actually set up this video capture because I like having eye contact with my audience now. Think about this. I'm not actually looking you in the eyes. I'm looking at the video camera right now, but you think I'm looking into your eyes. So you will have a single scene called Scene and a blank Sources. I'm going to add a scene down here so it'll look like what you've got. We're going to add a source. The source that we are going to add will be a display capture. That's because that is where our presentation is going to be and what we want to capture. Now, since I've got 2 screens, but I know my first screen is going to pop up in this window, it gets a little bit matrixy. Yeah, just like that. But I'll go get my PowerPoint presentation. Oops, and here's one of a typical power presentation I give on OBS Studio. Now, this giant pink area here, it's not for you, that's for me. That's where my face goes when I'm giving presentations. But as you can see, this is what your OBS will be recording, and you can cycle through your animations and your slides easily enough. I'm going to go back to OBS Studio. Start your recording. You'd click here. Mine says stop recording. That's because I'm recording. You'd hit start recording, and then you would start doing your presentation. Now, this is a presentation that I gave a long time ago at Colorado School of Mines about why you should be making videos with your research. And you just sort of go through, you record it. And what happens is I press escape, minimize this. I come back here, you say stop recording. I'm still recording, but now all your videos have been captured. Because of the setup with that output, you're going to have to put that into a video editing software package, which I'll talk about in another video. But there's also some other options that I'm going to show you in future videos. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.